Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about DropzoneJS File Upload. So let's see how can we upload file using DropzoneJS. So first of all, let's create a controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make colon controller and controller name. Let's say controller name is dropzone controller. Right? Now press enter. Now run the application. So just write here php artisan serve. Alright, now press enter. Now switch to the project and just open Dropzone controller. So just go inside the app http controllers and from here just open Dropzone controller. Inside this Dropzone controller, let's create a function here. So just write here public function name Dropzone, and inside this just return here a view. Let's say view name is Dropzone. Alright, now let's create the route for this function. So just go to the web.php file. So just click on routes in web.php and here just create a route get and URI dropzone, add the controller name which is dropzone controller, and also add here this dropzone controller. Okay, and now just add here the colon class and here add the function name which is dropzone. Alright, now save this file. Now let's create this view. So just copy this view name and just go inside the views directory. So just click on resources, then views, and here let's create a new file dropzone.plate.php. Alright, and inside this file, first of all add the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type exclamation sign and press tab. In the title here, Dropzone File Upload. Alright, and now add the bootstrap CDN. So just go to the get bootstrap.com and here just click on get started, and from here just copy the CSS and paste here, and now copy the JS and just paste here before the closing body tag. Okay, alright, now go to the Google and just search here DropzoneJS CDN. Okay, now click first, just open first link, and from here just copy the dropzone.mean.js. So just click on this link and here just paste. Okay, now copy the dropzone.mean.css, this one. So just click here and just paste here. Alright, this is dropzone.mean.css and here dropzone.mean.js. Now inside this body just add here the section and give some padding. So just write here style padding top, let's say 60 pixel. Alright, inside this section just add here container. Alright, now row, then column empty 12, and inside this just add here card, then card header, and here just add the title. So just write here Dropzone File Upload. Alright, now add the card body, and inside this let's create a form. Okay, so just write here form method post ink type multipart form data, and here just add the class name. So just write here class dropzone space digit dash clickable. Alright, now set the ID. So just write here ID image dash upload. Alright, now close the form, and inside this form just add here @CSRF. Alright, now just add a div, and inside div let's create s3 tag and add here the class name text center. Alright, inside this s3 tag just write here upload image by click on box. Alright, and add one more div, just add here the class digit dash default digit dash message. Alright, and inside this div just add here a span and simply write here a message drop files here to upload. Alright, now save this file and go to the dropzone controller, and here let's create another function. So just write here public function and function name dropzone store. Alright, and also pass here a request $request, right, and $image is equal to $image $request arrow file, and just add here the file. Okay, now add here the image name is equal to call the time function concatenation sign, add here the dot, again concatenation sign, and just add here image arrow extension. Alright, now $image arrow move. Here I'm just going to use public directory, so just write here public underscore path, and inside this let's add the folder name images, and second path just write here image name. Alright, now return a response as a JSN, so just write here arrow JSN, and inside this JSN just pass here success. Okay, and arrow sign, and just write here $image name. Alright, now save this file and let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php and here just write route : post, and here write dropzone dash store. Alright, and inside the big bracket just write here dropzone controller : class, and here just add the function name which is dropzone store. Alright, also give the name, so just write here name, and here just write dropzone dot store. Alright, now save this file and let's copy this route name and go to the dropzone.play.php, and here just add the action and just add the double curly bracket route, and just add here the route name which is dropzone.store. Alright, now let's create this image directory inside the public folder. So go to the project directory and just go inside the public folder and here let's create a new folder and folder name images. Alright, now all done. So let's check. So switch to the browser and just go to the URL dropzone, and you can see here the drop zone area. Okay, now just move this browser in one side and let's open a new file. Okay, these are the files, image file. Now let's drop one image and drag and drop here. Okay, so just drag and drop here. You can see here file uploaded. Now let's check. So switch to the project directory and just go inside the images folder, and you can see here the image. Okay, now let's try one more image. So just drag and drop, file uploaded, and inside the images you can see here the image. Okay, so in this way you can upload file using DropzoneJS in Laravel 8. So that's all about DropzoneJS file upload. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.